The morning sun begins to rise across the emerald leaves. A gentle, salty ocean breeze is blowing through the trees. I wake up with the rhythm in my step and in my soul. The island spirit taking charge and taking full control. We're climbing up the wooden ladders, reaching for the sky, where the heavy green fruit hangs so sweet and hangs so high. Every palm is swaying to a beat we all can feel. The magic of the plantation is making life feel real. Oh, we are living in the coconut sunshine today. Wash all the worries and the heavy clouds away. Underneath the canopy where the shadows dance around, we found a little paradise on this holy ground. Sweet water flowing like a river in the heat. Keep the rhythm moving to the tropical beat.